In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig for translation. To get started, log into Fiverr, switch over to your seller dashboard. Then go to My Business, select Gigs, and click Create a new gig. This will open the setup flow where you can build your translation service step by step. First, focus on the Overview section. Your gig title is extremely important because it tells buyers exactly what you offer and helps your gig appear in search results. Start your title with, I will. Then follow it with a clear and keyword-rich service description, such as translating from one language to another professionally. Keep it specific and easy to understand. Next, choose Writing and Translation as your main category, and then select Translation as the subcategory. After that, add up to 5 search tags. Use relevant terms that match what buyers would actually type in. Such as translation, document translation, or the language pair you work with. Once that's done, move to pricing and scope. Here, you will create 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. A simple way to structure these is by word count and delivery time. For example, your basic package can cover a smaller number of words. Your standard package can cover a medium-length document, and your premium package can handle a larger translation. Make sure the delivery times match the amount of work involved. You can also add extras like 24-hour delivery, proofreading, or formatting. These add-ons can make your service more attractive while also increasing your order value. Next, write your description and FAQ section. In the description, explain your native languages, the areas you specialize in, such as legal, medical, or technical translation, and mention that your work is done manually if that applies to your service. The goal is to build trust and clearly show your expertise. In the FAQ section, answer common buyer questions in advance. For example, you can explain what file formats you accept, like docs or PDF, and how you handle specialized terminology. After that, set up your requirements. Ask buyers to send the source text file, let you know the intended context or tone, and mention any deadline restrictions. This helps avoid confusion and gives you everything you need before starting. Then, go to the gallery section. Upload a clean gig image or profile style visual that looks professional. If Fiverr allows PDF uploads, use those slots to show translation samples or proof of certification, as long as everything looks polished and relevant. Finally, review all the information carefully. Make sure everything is accurate and then click Publish Gig. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.